welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm going to be telling you how to do the first layer or the white layer. So in the previous video we made the white cross. So we made the white cross. Now in this video I'm going to tell you how to fit the corners in the right positions and else. And so let's start. First of all, flip the cube so that the white cross faces downwards and you face this, and this is at the top, but yeah, yellow one is at the top. So first see if any white corner is placed. So this one is placed, but it is in the wrong side because it has to be with red and green, so it has to be over here. And so first of all, just move it out with R U R prime. Okay, so we just moved it out. So now first we are going to be putting all the edges. So now first let us match this one. So this is with green and red, so it should be in between green and red. So if we move it over here, it does not match. Then again over here, it does not match. It is with the red, but it is not the green. And then we move over here, so it is matching with the green and with the red. So if it is on the right side, then move it so that it does not face you. Move it like this. Then just do this. Move where you want to place it above, and then move this one right over here. Now it is correctly placed, so now move it downwards. Now what if next piece is this one, so we will now place it over here. Now this matches with red and blue, so it is also facing you. So move it here, then move it above and place it into place. So next, so now the next one is this one. So let us place it in place. So this is matching and it is matching. So let us just move over here and just put it in. And now what if this the white side comes above? So in this case it is. So now first of all, move it above to the place where it has to go. So it has to go over here. So then do R U2 R prime. Then we have it on the left side, so it is not facing us. So move it so that it faces us. So it is not facing us, but it is on the left side. So this time if it is on the left side, so move it on the right side. So now we are going to move it on the right side. There it is. And then move the left side up and move the right up, and then move the left side down. So now it is into place. Everything is into place. Now there is one more case that I didn't discuss. If it was like this, so it will go to the right so that it does not face you, and then move this one up and this one then down. So now we discussed all the cases like this one or this one. So that was like place it above where it has to go, and then U2 R prime U. So there we have it, and then just place it in. And then there was the easiest case. This one was, so if it is facing you, so and it is on the right, so move it to the left side, and then just move the R where you want to place it above, and then just place it in. So that is done for our white layer. So the white layer has been made, and it is almost like a T, except for this one. This one will be on the latest last stage, so this is done, right? And the pieces are exactly adjoined. So that is it for this video. In the next video I will be telling you how to place these edges and how to place in every case. So now that is it for this video, guys. So please subscribe and like the video to get more of these tutorials, and like the videos. And so see you in the next video.